Good students, today we will study about measurement arranged by a table. Some measurement arranged with descriptions, unit of measurements and tools of measurement. Arranged it's by a table in a sort method, which is very good and easy, will be in learning. Here length, in first case length. What is length? Distance between two points. Distance between 2 points. And units of measurements, its length unit is centimeter, meter and kilometer. Millimeter is denoted by mm and meter denoted by m and kilometer denoted by km. Denoted by km. And here centimeter, millimeter and meter, shortcut denoted by m and kilometer km. Millicentimeter, meter and kilometer. Smallest unit of length millimeter, and after this meter, and largest kilometer. Here tools of measurement: meter scale or tape, etc. are the tools to measure a length. Unit is this. Here after this mass. What is mass? Mass means amount of matter. Amount of matter in a body. Amount of matter in a body amount of matter in a body. In a body. The unit of mass is milligram. Write in shortcut mg, and milligram, gram denoted by g, and gram, kilogram denoted by kg, kilogram. Here its tool is physical balance, weighing machines, etc. Weighing machine. After this, length, mass. After this, volume. What is volume? Volume means occupy space by a object or capacity. Here, capacity of a container. Capacity of a container. Capacity of a container or available space is found in a container, that is known as volume or capacity of a container. The unit of volume here milliliter is denoted by ml. Milliliter, centiliter or milliliter, liter, L, etc. These are the units of volumes. And instrument and tools of measurements. Here liter or milliliter. Volume, capacity of container, its unit is milliliter and liter, and its as liter. Measuring flask, measuring flask or conical flasks. Beaker, etc. are the tools to measure volume. Here volume, after this time, Time. What is time? What is time? Time, difference the difference between two events, between any two events, between two events, or times, units of time, second, yes, minute, m, hour, h, and its tools are watch or clock, etc. Watch or clock are the tools of measurement of time. Here, temperature, temperature is the hotness or coldness of a body. Temperature is the hotness or coldness. Temperature is the hotness or coldness of a body. Units of measure: Kelvin, Celsius, Fahrenheit, okay, Kelvin, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and its tools is thermometer. Different types of thermometer: clinical thermometer, weather thermometer, laboratory thermometer, and different types of thermometer. The tools of measurements of temperature is a thermometer, and its units are measured in Kelvin, Celsius, and Fahrenheit. Kelvin is denoted by K, and Celsius denoted by degree Celsius, and Fahrenheit write in short form, degree Fahrenheit. So these are the measurements, descriptions, and its unit and tools of the measurements. So okay student, you learn all, because this is very important concept and clearly write it with easily, because it is very write in a short method by a table. Therefore you learn easily and write in your science notebooks. Okay students, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay students, thank all of you.